everyone, I am Oy and welcome to S.Super Cable Factory. Factory and material up to international standard. Product with full amount of copper and new PVC. Also for length marking for all cables. Today I'm going to talk about one of the important materials used to produce cable, which is PVC. PVC is a material to use as an insulation and sheet of cable. According to TIS 11.2553, TIS 293.2541, and TIS 2143.2546, there are two types of PVC. The first type of PVC is new PVC, which is mixing chemical that through application of heat to form a thread and cut into bits after it's cooled down. This type of PVC is also called as PVC compound. And the second type of PVC is recycled PVC, which is melted and reformed from discarded PVC product or waste PVC from factory, which is deficient in flexibility and tensile strength. S.Super Cable choose only high-quality new PVC from SCG, a reliable construction and chemical business in Thailand and Asia. Also supply a PVC from ADB, adhesive and plastic compound manufacturer within international standards. Moreover, S.Super Cable select types of PVC that follow Thai Industrial Standard 11.2553, which includes 6 types: PVC insulation type C and PVC sheet type ST4 are both used for surface wiring cable. PVC insulation type D and PVC sheet ST5 are used for flexible cable. PVC insulation type E and PVC sheet ST10 are both used for heat-resistant indoor cable. For every order of PVC, a QC engineer will inspect the PVC and certificate of analysis to make sure that weight, shape, and color are correct, and ensure that there are no impurities in the PVC. Then note the result in the report. After finish the inspection, a QC engineer will place QC pass sticker on the PVC package and store them at the warehouse to avoid the damage. For the installation and sheet process, start with bringing the copper conductor to the payoff machine and keeping it straight. Next, the whole section will pull the conductor to the wire straining machine. After that, the extruder machine will inject the conductor with PVC as insulation. The PVC beads are sucked up into the hopper where they run into the barrel, which inside there is a screw to grind the beads into smaller pieces. A heater outside helps to melt the PVC beads, forming a PVC fluid that is injected to coat the conductor or cable. When the coating process finishes, the cable will go through the cooling water through for cool down the cable and keep it shaped by using cold water. The cable is then dried by the blowing process before the length of each cable is specified using an inkjet printer in the length marking process. The cable will send to a spark tester to check for any defect spots in the cable. Finally, the whole section will pull off the cable from the payoff machine. The wire guide roller manages the cable to stay in the right position before the take-up machine pulls the product to the cable dump roller. S.Super Cable Laboratory undertakes the installation and sheet test according to TIS 11.2553 and TIS 293.2541, which are conductor resistance test, tensile strain and elongation test, AC withstanding voltage test, dimension measurement. summarize, S.Super Cable's new PVC is made from high-quality raw material sourced from trusted and well-known company in Asia. Furthermore, we meticulously test and check in every detail to make a high-quality cable for our customers. And this is one of the reasons that you should choose S.Super Cable.